This is Yoga Before Coffee. Today we're going to look at the basics of getting into a halfway lift. So you're going to start from a forward fold position. Equally distribute the weights to the center of your heel and across the ball mounds of your feet. And then give your knees a gentle bend, allow your belly to rest on your thighs and let your head hang. From here, take your fingers and press them into your shins. Keep the elbows pulling back. On an inhale, press down through your feet into the floor and reach your hips up high. From here, start to draw weight into the hands by tractioning them down your shins like you could reach your fingers to the tops of your feet. Draw the shoulders back, reach the collarbones forward. Notice if the weight is rocking backward onto your heels. Rock the weight forward into the ball mounds of your toes and start to spread your sit bones away from each other. Pull the belly in and up. Get a nice 90-degree angle here with your body. Take a deep breath. Exhale, gently bend the knees, forward fold.